Do you know where gold comes from? Why is having gold such an important thing?
Gold is a precious and rare element. It is generally found by digging in mines and is very hard to find.
Why is it so rare and precious?
Actually, most of the gold people use today came from outer space. It is literally from out of this world. When Earth was formed during violent collisions amongst stars, one of the elements that formed Earth was gold. Back then, Earth was incredibly hot and everything was in molten or liquid form. So gold sunk to Earth's center.
If all the gold sunk, then how can people still find gold?
In the early days, after Earth had cooled down quite a bit, it was probably hit by meteorites. The meteorites carried gold, and when they smashed into Earth, they got buried in different parts of the world. Gold was buried inside the meteorites and looks like this when found in the ground. This is why gold is found in mines underground and is hard to find. This makes gold so rare and precious, and from out of this world.
Gold is cool. Maybe I will get that nose ring after all.
I'll get some glue.